There's the bacon, getting ready to do breakfast.
Smashed sausage?
Smashed sausages.
Coming to support our little table here.
Won't be so yummy. Smashed sausage. We found that toasting English muffins dry, no butter, no oil, works really good. There they are, nicely toasted. And he turned the heat off before he started the eggs because it's still hot. In case you're wondering, we have this black stone. We just stage everything there, cover it up from the bugs. That's how we keep our food ready until we're assembling our plates. And here's breakfast. It doesn't get any better than that.